In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on ads off Pinterest in privacy and data settings on Pinterest. First, open your web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, go to the extension store that matches your browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, head to the Chrome Web Store. If you're using Edge or Firefox, open their respective add-on or extension marketplace. When you arrive at the extension store, use the search bar to look for an extension such as Dark Reader or Pinterest Dark Mode. These tools are commonly used to change the appearance of websites, including Pinterest, and they can help render the site in a dark mode style automatically. As you search, make sure you choose a trusted extension with good reviews and a clear description so you know exactly what it does before installing it. After you find the extension you want to use, click the button that says Add to Chrome or the equivalent Install button for your browser. A confirmation window may appear asking you to approve the installation. Go ahead and confirm it. Depending on your browser, the extension may install right away, and you might see its icon appear near the top right area of the browser window. Once the extension has been added successfully, go back to your Pinterest tab. If Pinterest is already open, refresh the page so the new extension can apply its settings. If Pinterest was not open yet, simply open the website now. In most cases, the extension will automatically render Pinterest in dark mode without requiring any extra setup. If it doesn't change immediately, give the page a moment to reload fully, or check whether the extension needs to be turned on manually from your browser's extensions menu. Some extensions also allow you to customize brightness, contrast, and theme behavior, which can be helpful if you want Pinterest to look more comfortable on your eyes. That's all there is to it. By installing a browser extension and refreshing Pinterest, you can quickly change the site's appearance to dark mode. This is especially useful if you browse at night or simply prefer a darker interface while using Pinterest.